the ice thaw and his cubes of the semi-round cooler. A production showing how matter changes. God gave Sir Arthur and his cubes a quest to find the holy grail of everything. They say whoever steps into the grail shall be free to move anywhere. As Arthur and his men came across a sign, half of the ice cubes went one way and half of the ice cubes went the other way. The way that Sir Arthur went is this way. As our heroes continued the journey, they came across a French castle. The French used their energy and getting hotter and hotter to put in the ice cubes, making it so hot for them to change phases into the liquid state of ice, or in our terms, water. As the ice cubes changed phase from a solid to a liquid, they melted into a liquid. That is what the phase change is called, melting. It's called the melting point at the point of heat that makes it change from a solid to a liquid. Liquids have a definite volume, but not a definite shape. Liquid takes the shape of what container it's held in. Solid has a definite shape and volume. As soon as they were turned into water, a giant hand picked them up and put them into what they called a freezer. Then they changed back into the regular form as an ice cube. The phase change of a liquid going back into a solid is called freezing. As the energy leaves the liquid, it clumps together more to show what the molecules would be of a solid. As soon as things started getting better, they got worse. The Knights of Ni found them and used their power to transform them, like the French did, into water. Things could not get any worse from there. As I said before, as solid went to liquid, it started heating up, and the energy was pulling the molecules away and getting more jumbly than what it was in the solid to what it is now in the liquid. As the would-be ice cubes, now water, found the grail, energy was put into them from the aura and used to turn them into the next phase or state of matter, which is a gas state. As they changed from a liquid to a gas, they changed phases again. The particles moved even more apart, and gas does not even have a definite volume or shape, making it different from all other forms of matter. As Sir Arthur flew over his castle, he saw all of his little ice subjects in need of help. They were calling for their king. So, the king wanted to come back, so the hand, it came back, and it took them and put them back in the fridge. After this, they returned back to their state of being an ice cube. And they told the rest of their castle the stories about the Holy Grail. As they changed from gas to liquid, It was cooling down and the energy was being taken out of the gas, so they had less energy to move around and became more clumped. And then, as it changed from a liquid to a solid, the same thing happened. Energy was being taken out, so it had to be very clumped together. And it also changed. The solid has a definite shape and volume, as this liquid only has a definite volume, not a definite shape.